For those of you that are looking to add FSC codes or CAGE codes into the system, what you'll need to do is log in, go to your dashboard, and go to the right-hand menu, as you see right here, and you want to go down to where it says FSC and CAGE code list. I'll click on that. And what you see right here is a list of all of the FSCs that we have and the set-asides that attach to these FSCs. You can delete them if you would like by clicking on this, confirming, and then it'll process and it will be taken care of. So now that one, 1901, is gone out of the system. If you want to add any items, you will go down to where it says Add Item, click on that button. This will pop up. And what you want to do is two things. Number one, you want to add in whatever your FSC is, just like that. But then also, not press Save Changes yet, but you also want to add in the contract type. So what type of set-aside would you like the system to pull? Both of those things must be done to be able to save it inside the system. So for this one, maybe I want unrestricted as well as small business. Because of those two, I press Save Changes, it's going to process. And now moving forward, what it's going to do is the system is going to pull these 5331s for small business and unilateral. Also, what it's going to do is it's going to look back over the previous 5 days, and any opportunities over those last 5 days will be added to your system. Next is if you want to add CAGE codes. As you continue to build your vendor relationships, you will start to have certain relationships where you know that they are going to quote you. So it would be in your best interest to add that CAGE code. So whenever time they are shown as an approved vendor, regardless of what the FSC code is, they are going to show up in your system. So as you can see right here, these are the 4 different CAGE codes that are going to be pulled whenever they are considered an approved source. You would do exactly the same thing that you did with the FSCs by clicking on Add Item. You want to type in not the name of the company, but the CAGE code. So let's just type in the CAGE code 6XZZ9. It'll take a second. And when it does, you want to click on that, type in the CAGE, type in the set aside that you would like, then press Save Change. When you do that, it's now going to start pulling the data, the RFQs for that specific CAGE code. So 6XZZ9 is for this company right there, pulling small business, and moving forward, it's going to pull that each and every day. And that completes adding FSCs and CAGEs into the system.